More and more job seekers are considering the freelance lifestyle. If you are considering picking up some freelance work, full-time or part-time, keep in mind that some skills may be more sought after than others. Therefore, in this video, I'll be sharing with you the 5 in-demand skills for freelancers that companies are looking for now. So definitely watch till the end to get the full gist. Hi Magi's gang, my name is Majojiba Maji for short. If you're new here, you are welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you here with me again. Group hug. I hope everyone's having a good week so far and you are not letting anyone or anything dim your light. When customers need answers about a company's products or something they recently purchased, they usually turn to the company's customer service. These representatives address customer requests via email, phone, or chat and ensure the customer's needs are met. You can find email, phone, and chat support freelance opportunities on Upwork, and you can charge as much as $40 per hour. Graphic designers create visuals for their clients' various consumer-facing materials, including websites, brochures, social media posts, etc. They help build a cohesive look that communicates the company's brand and captivates the attention of the desired audience. As a graphic designer, you can charge as much as $145 per hour on a site like Upwork. Accountants audit and analyze their clients' financial statements, prepare tax-related paperwork, and advise on cost-saving measures. As an accountant on Upwork, you can charge as much as $150 per hour. Full-stack developers are developers or engineers that build the back end of software and websites using programming languages like Python and Java, as well as the front end using HTML and JavaScript. Full-stack developers ensure their products give customers a smooth user experience. As a full-stack developer on a site called Upwork, you can charge as much as $160 per hour. Search engine optimization helps companies ensure their websites have the best chance of being found on search engines like Google and Bing. Therefore, SEO experts will fill a site with terms relevant to the company's products and services, among other tactics, to enable search engines to know what the company is offering. As an SEO expert on Upwork, you can charge as much as $250 per hour. Okay fam, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope that you can share it with someone that would also find the information I have shared beneficial. If you did find it helpful, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please also remember to subscribe and join Magi's gang. I will see you all in my next video, but till then, as always, stay blessed and remember God loves you. Bye.